Lanny Hartman here with Ziegler Caterpillar, demonstration operator. Today I'm in a Cat 259D3 series skid steer loader. Thing I want to point out today is the 2-speed control selector. First off, if we look up in the cab here, we have a switch up here on the top side that has a rabbit up on the top and auxiliary 7 on the bottom. We want to make sure that that is flipped up into the rabbit. Then what that does is the trigger switch on the back side of your joystick here, of your left joystick, that would be for the 2-speed selector. So then if we look up at the monitor, if we go and click that, we would actually have a rabbit, a green rabbit that would pop up on the left-hand side of the monitor. We go and click that switch again, it would put us back down into the single speed. Any other questions on the Cat skid steer loaders? Please give one of your Ziegler representatives a call and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.